Hi Biology, Mr. Wagner here, going through our protein synthesis worksheet. Looks like this one right here. Let's see what we got. So protein synthesis worksheet, there it is. I'm going to give you the first couple to show how this works. We're going to start with our DNA. There it is, DNA, and that's the strand that's on the top, and we're going to match it up with the letters that match up. So it looks like right over here, A matches up with T all the time, T matches up with A, G and C match up. Looks like G and C match up. T and A and T, G and C and G, T and A. That's pretty easy. Now the next one we're going to do is we're going to go to mRNA. Remember, RNA is different. It does not have thymine, the letter T. So let's see what happens. We're going to transcribe this line right here. We're going to start with this letter T in 1, and it looks like T matches up with A. Looks like we're going to go up here to letter A. A matches up with U. Looks like I've got C. C matches up with G. Remember this A and U right here because we don't have T. Looks like we got C. C matches up with G. Looks like we got A. A is going to match up again, not with T, but again with U. There it is. Looks like T matches up. This time I can write the letter A. Looks like C matches up with G. Looks like G matches up with C. And looks like A matches up with U. Okay, so that's my mRNA. Now I'm going to transfer my mRNA into tRNA. And it's the same thing. What I do is I take each letter. A matches up with U. Remember, there's no thymine. U matches up with A. G matches up with C. C is right there. Looks like I got another G, which matches up with C. Looks like I got a U matches up with an A. Looks like I got an A that's going to match up with a U. A G matches up with the C. A C matches up with the G. And a U matches up with the A. All right, I also did the one, I'll show you that so you can see it. Copy those down if you need to. I also did the first ones on the bottom here, so you can copy that down too. Looks like the bottom one is CAG, and it matches up with GTC. And then when I do my mRNA, it comes CAG. And then my tRNA on line number 9 looks like it's going to be TRGUC. All right, let's figure out how we find out these things, which are the amino acids. I'm going to start with, everyone's always a triplet with 3 letters. So I'm going to start with my first one, UAC. 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 So let's start with my first one. That says the first one was U. First one is U. There it is. And the next one is A. Looks like my A is right here. A. So I'm going to find out where U and A meet. Where do U and A meet? Looks like they meet right here in this box right there. U and A meet right there in this box. There's my U. There's my A. See my A? I bring my A straight up, and it matches with my U. There's my U. So I'm in this box right here, this whole box. UA, and now I want to find the letter C. It looks like C is going to be the second one down. So if I go to the second one down in this box, it says triazine. Let's take a look here. What does this one say? This one says triazine. Right there. Let's do my next set. Next set is CAU. 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 Let's find that. CAU. First letter is C. C is going to be right there. C. A. Looks like my A is going to be right there. A. So I find the place where C and A meet. Looks like it's this box right here, the whole box. All 4 of these. CA, and then I'm going to find my last one was U. U is the top one. So as I come across, the top one is histidine. Let's put that in here. Histidine. Look at that. And let's do our last set of triplets. Our last set looks like it's going to be CGA. 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 So we're going to come here. I'm going to do C. Looks like C is right there. C. I'm going to find my G. G is way over here. So where C and G come together is this box right here. All 4 of these in this box. CG and CG See, the letter was A, C-G-A. So I got C and G, and A is the third one down. There's my A. Third one down is arginine. Arginine. So what am I going to write in my box here? I'm going to write arginine. There it is. Let's do the one on the bottom. G-U-C. Oops. Sorry about that. Try and get it in focus here for you. G-U-C. 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 Let's find our code. Let's go here and let's do G. G is right here. G is, shh, quiet. G is right here. Here's my G. And there's my U. G-U, I'm in this box right here, this whole box. And it looks like C is the one I want. C is the second letter down. So I come across second letter down. Looks like all of them, it doesn't matter. All of them in here are going to be valine. Let's see what we put on our sheet. Looks like on our worksheet we put valine. All right, see if you can finish this up. Go through it again if you need help, but this is due today. Take a picture when you're finished and upload it and answer all the questions. All right, great job, everybody. Take care, God bless. We'll see you back in class next week.